Simple sentences using was. He was tired. She was happy. It was raining. The lamp was on. The hat was red. The car was fast. The book was old. The fire was hot. The girl was shy. The soup was hot. The sky was blue. The bike was new. The key was lost. The tree was tall. The lake was calm. The road was long. The test was hard. The cave was dark. The room was dark. The tree was bare. The boy was young. The air was fresh. The milk was cold. The grass was wet. The fan was noisy. The house was big. The sky was clear. The moon was full. The box was heavy. The cat was hungry. The pool was empty. The music was loud. The horse was fast. The cake was sweet. The bridge was old. The candle was lit. The hill was steep. The train was late. The fish was fresh. The desert was hot. The water was cold. The river was deep. The coffee was hot. The snow was white. The room was clean. The tree was green. The apple was ripe. The ocean was vast. The dress was blue. The window was open. The table was round. The sun was shining. The door was locked. The wind was strong. The movie was funny. The dog was barking. The sun was setting. The night was quiet. The valley was wide. The path was narrow. The cloud was white. The street was busy. The shirt was clean. The story was funny. The star was bright. The letter was long. The paper was blank. The dog was playful. The dog was playful. The chair was broken. The street was empty. The island was small. The teacher was kind. The man was friendly. The pencil was sharp. The bird was singing. The forest was dense. The light was bright. The pants were dirty. The pants were dirty. The bell was ringing. The snow was falling. The store was closed. The garden was lovely. The student was smart. The mountain was high. The river was flowing. The phone was ringing. The clock was ticking. The game was exciting. The game was exciting. The plant was growing. The baby was sleeping. The beach was crowded. The food was delicious. The song was beautiful. The weather was perfect. The flower was blooming. The bed was comfortable. The book was interesting. The rainbow was colorful. The ice cream was melting.